Hello, my little learners. Do you miss me? I miss you so much. Are you ready to have so much fun? مين جاهز يتعلم معايا كلمات جديدة؟ النهاردة هنتعلم كلمات فيها حرف ال E. مين يعرف الصوت بتاعه؟ What is the sound of the letter E? The letter E makes the sound E. 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 Good job! E says E. E says E. Every letter makes a sound. E says A. Good job! One more time, but this time I want to chant with me. Are you ready? Let's go! E says E. E says E. Where is the mystery box? I can't find it. Can you search with me? Let's say the song. Box, box, where are you, box? Where is it? Please come here. Here we are. Here is our mystery box. Let's try to find out what is the sound inside. Here we are. What is this? No, of course, this is a can. What about? Oh, this is a doll. This is not the sound. What about? Yes, good job. Here we are. We have today ED. What is the sound? Let's try to blend it together. Ed. 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 What about this? This is ad. Ad. Ed. Ed. Ad. Ed. Ad. Ed. Now it's your turn. Can you say it? Good job. Here is our first word. What is this? This is bed, bed. Bed, bed. I sleep on my bed. I sleep on my bed. Oh, what about this one? Which color is this? Yellow. Good job. What about this one? Green. Yes, this color is green. What about this? Red. Super. Red. 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 My favorite color is red. يعني أكتر لون بحبه هو اللون الأحمر. My favorite color is red. Oh, what about this one? Ed, fed. Ed, fed. The duck fed the ducklings. Ed, fed. Oh, what about this one? Can you see this word? Let's try to read it. Ed, led. Ed, led. The boy led his friends to the zoo. Oh, I want to go to the zoo. Ed, led. Guys, now it's your turn. I show you the words. Try to read them. Here we are. Good job. Bed, bed. Word number 2. Super. Ed, red. Word number 3. Ed, fed. Smart. The last word is Ed, led. Good job. This is my favorite game. The game is called Go and Find. يعني إيه؟ يعني وريكوا دلوقتي كلمة and you have to go and find it in your room. جاهزين؟ أول ما هوريكوا الكلمة دي حاولوا تجروا على طول وتحاولوا تجيبوا الحاجة اللي هتقرأوها. Here is the first word. Red. Good job. Now we have 10 seconds to bring something red. يلا بسرعة جيبوا لي حاجات لونها أحمر. Good job. Oh, what is this? Wow, this is a red hen. Yes, it's red. What else? Oh, what is this? This is a red ball. Good job. What about? Wow, what is this? This is a red teddy bear. What about you? What did you bring? Write me in the comments. Here we are. Another word. Let's try to read it together. Pen. Super. Now you have 10 seconds to bring a pen. Ready? Let's go. Yes, good job. Oh, look. I have here a pen. This is a green pen. Oh, another pen. What? Oh my God, a lot of pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pens. Now it's the sentence time. Who can read the sentence with me? Let's do it. The red bed is in Fred's room. Good job. It's a very big sentence. Let's try one more time. The red bed is in Fred's room. Super! Guys, look at the sentence here. I start the sentence with a capital letter and I end my sentence with a full stop. Good job. Now it's the time to practice. هتلاقوا في الديسكربشن بتاع الفيديو free worksheets عملتها لكم مخصوص عشان تبدأوا تحملوها وتطبعوها. هتلاقوا فيها coloring, tracing و a lot of games. Yay! Guys, we had so much fun today. We read a lot of sentences and we learned a lot of new words. لو استفدتوا من الفيديو ما تنسوش تعملوا لايك وشير مع أصحابكم عشان هم كمان يستفيدوا. And see you next time. Bye bye.
Learn with Yamna.